Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the VLookup function in a two-way lookup. Now, in a traditional VLookup, if I'm looking for a value of the sales, like in this table, we have mentioned the sales of each fruit in respective columns, Feb, March, and April. Now, in a traditional way, if I'm looking for the fruit value of the sale of the apples in the month of Feb, I can write down a simple formula where I do VLookup. The value I'm looking for is apples. I'm looking for Feb, so I select this all. I'm looking for Feb, so I select 2 as a column index number. I make 0 for exact match and I close it and I get the answer. Now in this formula, what I'm trying to see that I should not enter this column index number as a static because I want VLookup to take this column index number from H3. So we use a nested VLookup and we do use a match function. So just to show you how the match function will work is like this. So what I've done is I've mentioned the lookup value again in the match, which is H3. I want it to look for that value from B2 to E2, and I've made it exact match. Now see, it's returning 4. So if I wanted the value for April month sales, it should be 4. Now if I change it to March, the value would change to 3. So we're going to use this match function in as a nested VLookup and get the result output. So we type in again VLookup. The value we are looking for is H2. Then the table array we are looking for is B2 till E12. Then we mention the match. Here's the nested comes in. Now lookup value is H3. The table array for the match function is B2 till E2. We want it to be exact match. Yes, we want VLookup to have an exact match as well. And we close this. Now, if you see this formula, it's saying VLookup, the value should be in H2, B2 till E12 is the table array for the VLookup. Then we get into nested VLookup and we mention match to return me the column index number, which is H3. The range I'm looking for is B2 till E2, 0 for the exact match. I close the match function and then 0 for the exact match for VLookup. If you see, if I mention fab in here, the value changes. So it's like if I mention papaya, so it's like the automated one. But there's one other thing. If I delete these two, I'm getting NA. So I can make it a one small tweak to make it look good is if I put if NA, I've covered this in my another video. If I use this function here and I put enter, now it looks a lot better. And all I have to do is I have to just come here, mention the fruit, mention the month, the value will automatically comes in. I have to just change the month, the value automatically. So this is kind of a small quick report which we can do with VLookup and a match as a nested. And if we add in the if NA, it looks really great because we do not get this NA. Thanks for watching this video, guys.